I decided I'm going to take this bypass pulley off and clean it. As y'all noticed, I'm rotating this and it's rotating with it. Listen. See right here? The back seal's been compromised. So I'm going to order a new bearing and press it in. And I'm not putting this back on because I could re-oil it, probably get some more life out of it and get on the road. But while it's off, might as well. Just so y'all know, these little covers right here, they're either plastic or rubber, pop off, and you can get to the ball bearings and you can actually clean them out and oil them. So naturally, when I finally get this off and check it, I look up the bracket number 101-29569, and Summit is out of stock. So I'm going to naturally press this out, and all you got to do for figuring that out, y'all, is this. Let me walk out here in the sunlight where y'all can see it better. As you can see, there's a part number, 6203RS. So we're going to go see if we can find this bearing online and the dimensions and see if we can get it next day or find someone local with it. Personally, I try to clean up some of the parts and inspect them while I'm waiting on everything to arrive. While I was at it, I go ahead and wire brush all the bolts and sandblast the washer, give it a fresh coat of paint. Leave this bare, and when the washer comes in, it'll just be like a brand new rebuilt bracket. Okay, the bearing come in, so let's see if it matches. Looks like she might be a fit. Just to show y'all, I took the back cover off and blew it out and brushed it with a toothbrush with brake clean. Now you don't hear that grit sound, right? But because the seal on one side is compromised, I'm still just gonna use these new ones, which I can slip my finger underneath the edge and feel the softness of the rubber. These, I can't even get my finger under the edge. They're that hard now. So anytime you're gonna press bearings out, y'all, have it push on the outer edge of the bearing, not the inner side. You can actually damage the bearing or put marks on the inside where the bearings ride, and it'll be a rough spot. So you press it out here. So basically, I would get a socket slightly bigger than this on this side, and this socket's just big enough to slide in, and I can press this one out. I could probably use my vise, maybe not. If not, I can literally just take a rubber mallet and just knock it out. Maybe a dead blow. And as you see, if you're pressing it in, here, same way.